Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to manage and customize document properties and metadata. Before delving to the main activity of this video, first, let us tackle what is the meaning of document properties in MS Word. Document properties in MS Word refer to the metadata or information about the document that helps identify, manage, and organize it. These properties include details such as the document's title, author, subject, keywords, and comments. Additionally, document properties can include information like the document's creation date, modification date, and file size. These properties are essential for document management as they provide important context and details about the document's content and history. They can also be used for searching and sorting files, making it easier to locate specific documents within a large collection. To display and edit document properties in Microsoft Word, start by clicking on the File tab in the top left corner of the Word window. This will take you to the Backstage view, where you should click on Info in the menu on the left. Here, your document properties will be displayed on the right side of the screen. You will see various properties listed, such as titles, tags, comments, author, creation date, last modified date, file size, pages, and word count. Some properties, like file size, pages, and word count, cannot be edited as they are automatically calculated by Word. The editing time is also not editable. To edit properties like title, tags, and comments, simply click on the property you want to edit. For example, to change the title, click on the current title and type in the new title, Welcome to Word. Then press Enter to finalize the change. You can also view other information such as the date the document was created and last modified, as well as the author of the document. Once you have made your changes, you can close the document properties by clicking on the back button in the top left corner of the screen, and your changes will be saved automatically. Alright, an additional thing that we could do is go right down here and click Show All Properties. When you expand the properties list, you will see that some other properties have been added, specifically in this area, right here. Tags, comments, status, categories, subjects, hyperlink company, notes, and so on. So now, I could edit any of these notice, and some of these can be edited actually. Most of the ones that were added in can be edited, and so now go down here and you will see the manager. If you click in this area, you could add in a manager property, and if you are linked to Outlook, you could actually add in your manager and verify their email addresses as well as find them from your contacts, so that this is kind of cool too. Down here is author. Author will be automatically displayed with your name if it is your version of Microsoft Office on your computer. And then down here, you could also see you can collapse the property options up here at the top. It says Properties, and there is a drop-down arrow. If you click on this, you could actually go to Advanced Properties and see even more properties and statistics about your Word document. And so here, you are gonna see the Summary tab along with other tabs, and notice that in the Summary tab, the title that we added before is already listed here. And these are the other areas that we could also edit, which we could also see back in this area. So then we say, well, the cool thing about here, you could actually look at the general options. Here are the general properties and see the name of the document as well as when it was created and all that other information statistics, which it not only goes over the page count in the word count but also goes over lines and characters, so you could see the character count for your document, the contents which give a description, and custom entries that you could also add it in. So you could add in custom properties as well. Over here is the summary section and the author. We have the title earlier and it already displayed the author's name. Let us assume that the name of the manager is Angela. Let us say we belong to the Waikiki company. We have category. So what is category, by the way, in document properties? In Microsoft Word, the category in document properties refers to a classification or grouping that can be assigned to a document. This classification is typically used to organize and manage documents within a system or database. For example, you might use categories to group documents by their purpose, like reports, memos, letters, or by their status such as draft, final, archive. Categories can help you quickly identify and retrieve documents that belong to a specific group, making it easier to manage your documents effectively. I am going to put Project C. I could put in keywords right down here, and for keywords, I am going to type some words, and there we go. So we have added that in, and if I click OK, there we go, and we will see that property got added in. Alright, you can add comments as well as hyperlink. What is hyperlink, by the way? In simple terms, a hyperlink in Microsoft Word document properties is a web link or URL that you can add to your document's properties. This link can lead to a website, a file on your computer, or another location. When someone clicks on the hyperlink in the document properties, it opens the link location. I will not add anything on that, but you can add though. We can also check the box in Save Thumbnails for all Word documents, but this time, I choose not to. The choice is yours. So if you are done, just click OK. So now that you have added this to the properties list, I could go right up here and click Show for your properties and then go back, and I could click Save to save those properties and finalize them. During the Microsoft Office Specialist exam, you may encounter tasks that require you to change specific document properties, such as the title property, which is different from the actual title of your Word document. The title property refers to a metadata field that can be edited within the document properties section, typically found into the info pane of Word. This distinction is crucial because the exam may test your ability to navigate and modify these properties, which are separate from the document's content. To successfully complete this task, you'll need to know how to access the document properties section within the info pane, just like what we did earlier. And that's it. This is how you manage and customize document properties and metadata in Windows MS Word. I hope this helps. And before we end this video, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.